Welcome. We are at Aarnink Meat Products in Lochen. I'm heading over to Bart, and he'll tell us all about what we do here.
Hello,
Hello, I'm René Kamster, and I've been working at Weber Food Technology in Benelux since 2017. Hello, Bart.
Good morning, Mr. Kamster. Welcome to beautiful Lochen.
Yes, hello.
Let's get started.
I'm Bart Aarnink, Managing Director of Aarnink Meat Products. I've been in this industry my whole life. My father started with a small shop in Deventer. Then we moved into meat production. And from there, we grew steadily. In 2018, we got in touch with René Kamster. Between 2018 and 2023-2024, a total of 7 new lines were purchased through René. But always with good communication, what are we going to do, how will we do it, and what is the best solution for Aarnink. The 3 of us work together, Father Ton, Bart, and I. I've supported them with the complete setup of the facility. That's why I like to take a close look around the factory myself. And I like to do that in person. I put on my safety shoes, I'm wearing them now, and head into the factory. I observe what they do and look at how I can best support the customer as Weber Food Technology. So Bart, now we're in the slicing department.
Yes, in the slicing center.
What kind of work do you do here?
On the first 3 lines, we slice for institutions in the Netherlands, hospitals, company canteens, retirement homes. We produce 100 portions with 2 slices per minute, all different products. Over 80 different products are sliced on these lines. The multifunctionality of the machines is very important for us. We have 650 to 700 products in stock daily that can be ordered in real time. So we must be able to slice many different applications every day.
With as little changeover as possible, we need to get the most out of production with minimal downtime.
Now we have highly adaptable machines in operation and have brought maximum flexibility into our facility with Weber. Here we produce packs for the food service sector, all 500 grams. Previously, we sliced using 3 separate lines. It was a lot of manual labor and the yield wasn't good. We had too much waste. So we looked for a solution to produce more packs per hour, per day, per week. A wide range of products in type, length, raw material, cooked or fermented. Everything had to be processed on one line. That led us to the idea of installing a Slicer 604 with a mono picker to handle the food service packaging. This allows us to work much faster and better, and we've also ensured flexibility, so we are very satisfied.
So for Aarnink, it was also expect more.
Even for maintenance work, when parts break, Weber always responds very quickly. The machines are regularly inspected, and we get updates like, this part may need replacing in the next 3 to 6 months. So we plan ahead and keep those parts in stock. That's just good coordination, and if necessary, someone from Germany jumps in the car and takes care of everything. Downtime is practically impossible. For our solutions, Weber has been the best partner so far. We made the decision for Weber back then and are still very happy with it. And with their knowledge and expertise, we're confident that won't change in the future.